I have James Arnold with me again today. James is with
America's Mortgage Resource.
Again, one of our favorite vendors out there. I was asking James earlier, some of the biggest issues I have as a listing agent are when the agents bring me their offers from their buyers aren't what I really considered pre-qualified. They are hopefully qualified.
Yes,
Can you talk a little bit about what to really do?
One of the things that happens a lot of times is that you'll have somebody get really excited about a house and they'll forget to get pre-approved. So they'll kind of put the cart before the horse, and it comes with the territory. You get excited about a new house. It's very important to get pre-approved, obviously, to get your credit analyzed, get your income and assets, so that you know exactly what you qualify for. So you don't get into a situation where after you've put in your offer on the house, you get into a situation where you might have somebody, for example, whose income, they may be a contract worker, they may be W-2'd, but their pay isn't exactly... it doesn't qualify for the programs that are out there. So it's very important, and it doesn't take very long. I mean, we can do a pre-approval. I can do a conversation with somebody over a 10-minute conversation. We can do a mock loan application. We can verify credit, income, and assets, and make sure that they are pre-approved. So all they have to worry about is obviously finding the house that they want.
So on the pre-approval, I want to be clear on this. It's not me calling you and saying, hey, James, I make X amount of dollars a year. Do I qualify for the house?
That's part of it. We can do a quick loan application over the phone, but it's more important to get your tax returns, your W-2s, your pay stubs, so that I can verify the information on there so that there aren't any surprises when we get to underwriting. Obviously, when I issue a pre-approval letter, it means you're pre-approved. It means I've evaluated everything, I've looked at it, I've made sure so that when my underwriter looks at it, we don't have any issues. You don't want to get excited about your house, get through the process, spend money on a home inspection and appraisal, and then come to find out when it gets all underwritten that you didn't qualify in the first place. So it's very important to do that from the beginning.
And I can tell our listeners out there, when James gives me the pre-approval on my listing for my buyer or for a buyer, I can guarantee the house is going to close. That's what the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification is, because you actually look at the credit, you actually verify some of this information so that there aren't surprises down the road.
Absolutely, absolutely. We handle everything on the front end so there aren't any surprises or issues on the back end.
Great. Thank you so much for visiting with us today.
Thank you.